Hello everyone, I Vatsal welcome you all to my channel, and today I am going to show you how to delete temp files or junk files on your Windows 10. So there are some steps to clean the temp files, so just follow them along with me. So the first step is just press Windows key along with the R key on your keyboard. Now a run window will open, and in this run window just type temp, T-E-M-P, and then just click on the OK button. So right now it is showing only one temp file. There will be lot of temp files in this folder in your system. So just select them all by just pressing Ctrl A on your keyboard, and then just press on the delete key on your keyboard. Click on the yes button. Now close this window and again press Windows key along with the R key on your keyboard. And this time type %temp%. Click on the OK button. Now just select all these folder by just pressing Ctrl A and just delete them by just pressing the delete key on your keyboard. Hit enter. So there will be some files that will not get deleted. Just click on the skip button to skip them. Now close this window and again press Windows key along with the R key on your keyboard. And this time type prefetch. And click on the OK button. So the prefetch window is not opening in my system. I think there is some problem. What you have to do is just select all the files and folder in that window and delete them like you did for the temp files. After that, again press on the Windows key and the R key, and this time type tree, TREE, and click on the OK button. Now what you have to do is just go to the search bar and type disk cleaner. Just click on the search result disk cleanup, click on OK. Now in this window just check mark all the check boxes that are given here, and after this just click on the OK button. Click on the delete files button. So it has cleaned up your recycle bin also, but if after this disk cleanup process there are some files in your recycle bin, then just delete them from the recycle bin and you are done. After this just restart your system and that's it. So this is how you can delete temporary files or the junk files in your Windows 10. So that's it from my side. If you like my video, you can click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.